Hello guys, in this video I wanted to show you how you can use CapCut to edit your videos the best way. We are learning CapCut video editing, the basics, everything you need to start using CapCut in order to learn video editing. So when you come here, just import your video through here. Then my videos are on desktop that I would like to work on, or else if you don't do that, you can just go and direct to the desktop and drag the video within your editing software. You may use any editing software, maybe VSDC, it's totally free. There is also CapCut, this that we are using. There are also other editing softwares that you can use on phone. So when you come, let me bring the next video. Here I can import another video so that we can join the first one and then we join the next one so that it becomes one video. There are two videos, then we join them. So this is what we are doing now. There are many things we need to do so that we get every basic that is needed to learn video editing. Here we want to see how we can split this into two. Splitting most of the times is needed so that you can delete a piece that you don't want. You can split the video into two. It's like cutting, dividing the video in small parts, then you delete the unnecessary. This is deleting the left hand side and deleting the left side. Here is what we have deleted. So the next one is deleting the right hand side. So another thing is that you can also delete the whole piece of this, the whole of it, and you delete it like that. So another thing, we are trying to edit removing the unwanted things from our video so that you stay with the best that you need to use in your video. So here I'm deleting, but I recommend using that delete, not left and right. So here I would like to import another short video. It's an intro video. So from there I bring it, I drag it within the editing software here so that it can join the two videos in between. So I can also import the audio to act as the background music. This is it. This is the background music. It's free background music, no copyright. I made a video where you can get free background music to use in your videos. I'll put it in the description so you'll go and watch and see how to use free background music that is copyright free. I'm trying to show you how you can put that background music. Then from that I'm exporting the video after editing this video. What we do is exporting to save our video. From that you just press export. Now the video is being saved on the computer. Now that's it, it has been saved. You just go and open here, open the folder, it will take you direct to where the video is, so you can click it and it will play. So that's how you can edit your videos for beginners. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.